Honey, you were saying your car was way overdue for service, right?
I've been putting off. We definitely need a new mechanic. Didn't Susan mention somebody at the barbecue last weekend?
Yeah, she goes to Advanced Automotive Performance over in Uxbridge. She loves them. Let's check them out.
Oh, look, they have free loaner cars or a shuttle, so you won't have to pick me up or drop me off when it's done.
Good, I have to take the kids to soccer.
But can they service my Lexus?
Let's see. They sure can. And they can work on my Honda too. They have the parts and their technicians are ASE certified. Here's the thing, you've been putting off going to the shop, so what's the bill going to be? Don't forget, we have some big expenses coming up.
I know, but it needs to be done. Great, it says they have an in-store credit card available with rates as low as 0% interest, so it won't be a big hit all at once.
I don't mind spending the money to keep our cars in good shape, especially after seeing the prices on the new models.
I agree. Most of our friends are spending over $500 per month on their new cars. That's over $6,000 per year. We can pay for a lot of preventative maintenance and repairs for that price. Can you see anything about their warranty? Probably the standard 12-month, 12,000 mile.
Nope. They'll do 24 months, 24,000 miles, and they'll kick that up to 36 months, 36,000 miles if we use their in-house credit card.
And look at this. They're a AAA approved repair shop, and they have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. Now that's something you don't see with most shops.
Their motto really sounds like they're the type of people we like to deal with. And it's not just a hollow promise. Their hundreds of 5-star customer reviews really back it up.
Honey, didn't you say the Honda needs an oil change? Looks like they have a nice waiting area. Free Wi-Fi, comfy chairs, and those K-Cup coffees. Maybe I'll take your car in. I can bring my laptop and catch up on some work while I wait. I almost forgot. Remember the last oil change you had at the Quick Lube? The guy missed the coolant leak or just didn't tell us. Luckily, you caught it before the car overheated. But we need a mechanic that keeps us updated on any items they notice that need attention.
Says here they do a free vehicle health inspection every time you take your car in for service. Sounds like exactly what we need.
Wow, this is interesting. It says here they'll soon be offering a maintenance membership with a lifetime warranty. I've never heard of anything like that. I'll definitely have to ask them for more details.
It sounds like a no-brainer to me. I'll give them a call at 508-278-6615 to schedule our appointments.
Call the friendly team at Advanced Automotive Performance today to make all your automotive headaches go away. We are looking forward to meeting you, so go ahead and dial the number on the screen. When you contact us today, you'll get a free vehicle health inspection and maintenance consultation. It's a $100 value. They've been absolutely fantastic to work with. The staff makes you feel like family. Jean-Paul R. Friendly and knowledgeable staff, Todd H. I told him we were heading to the Cape and asked if they would be able to fix it. The boys stayed until 7:30 p.m. to get my truck road ready. The staff there is exceptional. James A. I know my vehicle is in good hands. Julia J. Highly recommend these guys. Paul M. It has been years since I've had the trust and confidence in a repair shop that I have in Advanced Automotive. Their staff is personable, responsive, and very trustworthy. Nicole V.